Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to add fonts in Alight Motion. So basically, you just need to go here on the fonts website. As you can see, you can go to thefont.com. And here, as you can see, I want to download this Butter Cookie Sans. Now to download this one, go to the top right and tap on this download button. Once you tap on that, as you can see on your screen, downloading file and file downloaded. Next, go to your file manager, and here you just need to go and search at the top right hand corner, and you can search for Butter Cookie Sans. And here you just need to type Butter Cookie, and then you can find that Butter Cookie Sans.zip. So tap on that, and basically you just need to extract that files. So tap on that, and I want to extract this to the download folder, and tap on extract at the bottom. And here, as you can see, we have extracted that font. Now, all you need to do here is go back to Alight Motion app. And here, basically, you just need to tap on the font right there. And then tap on this edit text at the bottom. And here, basically, if you tap on that, so you will find the different fonts right there at the top. So all you do is tap on the drop down menu and tap on view all fonts right there at the top left. And here it will show you all the fonts. Now tap on the three lines at the top left corner, and then at the bottom, tap on import fonts. So basically, you just need to find the Butter Cookie Sans, your downloaded fonts right here. You can go and use the search icon right there at the top right. And here, once you found that one, just need to tap on that. And there you go. So the new fonts right here is added to your list. So basically, you just need to find that fonts basically at the top, right there, Butter Cookie Sans, and just tap on that. So that's how you basically add fonts in Alight Motion. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.